Senator, we can't thank you enough for coming in tonight. Thank you very much. Dan, thank you for hosting our meeting this morning. We had a number of volunteer service organizations here in Central Texas meet and talk about the challenges that they're encountering with the economy being in some trouble, with unemployment being up, and just the pressure and obstacles to charitable giving and volunteerism that occur when the economy is sour. One of the things that I was interested in is hearing whether some of the policies of the federal government, for example, the proposal to limit charitable deductions on one's income taxes, whether that was just one of the things that might be contributing to the difficulties they see. Frankly, the answers I heard were that many people contribute because they believe passionately in the cause, and they want to demonstrate their care for their fellow man and woman by doing everything they possibly can. And so really, whether they can deduct it on their income tax isn't all that big a deal. Others say that when they try to raise money for good works and programs that they're doing, that's a consideration in addition to other factors that has perhaps contributed to a downturn in fundraising efforts for this year. I started off our meetings by just invoking the name of a Frenchman who wrote a book in 1835 called Democracy in America, Alexis de Tocqueville. What he wrote back to his fellow Frenchmen was that one of the things that made America different from the rest of the world, certainly Europe, was what he called public associations, which we know today is simply volunteerism, people contributing their time and their money for a cause they believe in. And if you look around the world, it really does make America different from the rest of the world. The spirit of neighbor helping neighbor and volunteerism and all of the things that go along with it. The signals the federal government sends on how it will treat charitable contributions and the like to the tax code. All of these things contribute, I think, to making our country different, and I would dare say exceptional compared to many other parts of the country. So I am delighted to be here today just to hear about the good work that's being done. Also, we've got an assignment, I guess, a self-assignment for a future meeting on health care, among other things. But also, I wanted to make sure that each of these organizations know that when it comes to accessing federal grants and other services that the federal government does provide, but it's merely a matter of navigating the bureaucracy to try to get to it, certainly my office, my staff, and I are more than willing to help in any way we possibly can. So thank you very much, Dan, for hosting us today. I hope we didn't interfere with the distribution of Meals on Wheels. They're all gone. 4,000 a day. Is that right? Gee, that's phenomenal. And certainly the demand for your services here has gone up as people's circumstances have deteriorated economically, and we want to do everything we can